Blooming Butterfly, a fun-filled interactive and engaging series.
In the previous video, we learned the letter F. Now it's time to learn the letter G. The sound of G is G. G, G. G is for goat. G is for gate. G is for grass. Goat, gate, grass. Let's see what the goat is up to. Wow! Look, a goat on the grass is going through the gate. Can you see the goat? Please point towards the goat. Yes, that's great. Can you see the gate? Please point towards the gate. That's great. That is the gate. Can you see the grass? Where is the grass? Please point towards the grass. Yes, amazing. That is the grass. Get some grass from outside and paste it on the page for the goat to eat it. Ask your teacher for help. Now the goat can eat the grass. That's great. That's it for today's video. We'll meet in the next video to learn the letter H. Until then, bye.